The allegations surrounding Uncle Vinny have ignited a nationwide conversation, shifting attention from his entertainment career to the serious claims now being investigated. The youngster was reportedly arrested after his ex-girlfriend Yolata accused him of assault and shared allegations of physical and emotional abuse during their relationship. The reports have sparked intense debate on social media, with many South Africans calling for accountability and justice, while others have urged the public not to rush to judgment before the legal process is complete. As police continue with their investigation and Uncle Vinny's team has yet to issue an official statement, the case continues to dominate online discussions. The unfolding situation has placed the popular entertainer under intense public scrutiny, with many closely watching to see how the investigation develops and what impact it could have on his career and reputation.